everybody, welcome to Joanne Creates, where I create videos about art supplies, bullet journaling, and I do art reviews, just different art related things. And today I ordered this Pentel Fude Brush Pen in a medium sized brush, and it came from Japan. I thought I'd show everybody what it was like. I ordered it off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below. I was recommended this art supply. Basically, I'm taking an art course through Domestika by Sori Kim. It's daily sketching for creative inspiration. I'll put the link down below for that as well. I find this course is really good. Her instruction is great. Anyways, this is one of the art supplies that she recommended. It's all in Japanese. It actually came from Japan, so it took a few weeks to get here, and it came today. So I thought I'd show you. Now I want to be careful taking this off because I want the packaging. It's all in Japanese, but I can still take a picture through my Pixel phone and have it translated, so that's good. And from what I understand, you have to, I'm going to put this down. From what I understand, you twist this, you take off the little red cap, and then you twist back on somehow. There we go. No? Let's go this way. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Anyways, and so it's ink, and it has like a nylon brush. Now I just have to wait for the ink to come out, but basically it's just an ink brush, and it's portable, so you can put it in your pencil case or take it along if you're sketching like outside, which is what I want to start doing more of. Let's see. You're supposed to squeeze it, like I don't even know. Okay, nothing's coming out. Okay, so you squeeze right about here. Ah, I see it. It's coming out into the little well. Oh, now if you can see, it's coming down the brush. It's only on the one side so far though, so that's so interesting. Oh, look at that. You just get really, and it will also make a bit of dry brushing. That is so cool. Okay, well anyways, to test out, I'm going to, first of all, I'm just going to make sure that this is the cap that also goes on it. So it looks like the ink goes out into this well, and then it will come out into your brush when you need it. So basically what I am going to do is I'm going to draw some fun mushrooms and use the pen and see how that goes. So it is a fairly, if you look, that's really the thins and then that's the thicks. So I probably would want to use something else for smaller details, but definitely really interesting. So I ordered this off of Amazon, and it came directly from Japan, as I was saying, and it came fairly quickly. Like, I think it was only 2.5 weeks. So I mean, that's not bad at all. I mean, I don't think it is. Sometimes it takes quite a while for things to come overseas and stuff like that. I live in Canada, so I feel like that's pretty decent. Does anybody else like taking tutorials? What are some of your favorite sites? I have done a few things on Skillshare. I really like them. I'm sure everybody's heard of them. They seem to sponsor a lot of YouTubers. But Domestika is a good one, and Domestika has a lot, it seems, of Spanish. So if you're Spanish speaking, there might be a lot of content there for you. Now they have subtitles for, well, this one with Suri Kim is English speaking, but they have the subtitles for other languages. But they seem to have a lot of instructions in Spanish on their site, which I think would be great, because not everybody speaks English, you know? Anybody else like drawing mushrooms? I don't know, there's something about them that's fun. Ooh, here's a fat one. Okay. Okay, let's see how this goes. Now, I'm assuming I'm gonna hold it here, but if you do it up there, it will squeeze more ink out into the well here, which is not what I want all the time. Okay, we'll start. Sorry if you can hear a truck beeping in the background. That's, there must be construction in my neighborhood. Sorry. Now, I want to try and do a little bit of some of the line work. See, this will be really nice for creating some of the texture. It's not like when you have a liner pen and all the lines are just uniform, which is a nice look for some things, but sometimes you just want. And I feel like this is one of those ones where I'm gonna need some practice because it's not something that necessarily comes naturally. Yeah, you can tell. Some of my lines are shaky, whatever. It's nice for texture like grass though, you know, like I know this was also advertised as a pen for calligraphy, which I'm not very good at, but some of you people out there might be. And I can see how it might work very well for that. Does anybody have any ideas for different supplies that I could try out next? Let me know down below if there's something that you'd really like me to try out. I also think you have to be wary when you come over like here, just in case, because it's still a liquid medium. I think that you could smudge with your hand pretty easily if you weren't careful. Nice. I do like how that works though. It's pretty nice. And different mushrooms have different textures. Like I've seen the ones with the crackly, they're almost like a yellow. I don't know what it is, but they crack on top. Anyways, this is a review of the Pentel, I think it's pronounced Fude Brush Pen in a medium. I think it's a really good brush to have maybe in your purse, but I'm hoping that it doesn't leak. That's the only thing. But I think it would be very good for taking with you for doing different sketches. A little bit better than just using your micron pen. Micron pens just have that uniform line, as I said before, and this does give you varying widths depending on the pressure. As I said, when you lay it on thick, it is quite wide, the medium. This is still wet, if you can believe it. But when you lay off, you can get some pretty thin still. Like, I know that's not as controlled, but you can get some pretty thin strokes in there. Anyways, I would recommend it. As I said, I'll put the link down below, and I'll also have the link down below for the class that I'm taking online from Domestika. Okay? Thank you for coming today to check out my video. Like and subscribe down below, and I'll have a new video next week. Thanks. Bye.